Hi there, this is Scott Pierce, Managing Partner with Clear Vision Investment Group. I just actually had the privilege of speaking with one of Arizona's top mortgage professionals, Gale, Senior Mortgage Consultant with Nova Home Loans. Greg was actually sharing some of the benefits of investors using leverage in obtaining Arizona investment property, as well as some of the mortgage products that are out there. So some great information, and I wanted to pass this video along to you, so enjoy.
Hi, my name is Gale with the Gale team at Nova Home Loans. I'm a senior loan officer here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we're going to talk about leverage and the benefits of leveraging your investment property purchase. Some of the benefits you want to think of in regards to leverage is when we're buying multiple properties rather than just one. So let's say, for example, a borrower has, or an investor has $100,000 to invest on a property. Instead of putting all that money into one property, purchasing cash, we'll say we leverage that over 4 properties. Putting money down, now you have it spread out over 4 properties, and now with less risk. So let's say, for example, you're in between tenants with some vacancy in there. You now still have cash flow coming from your other 3 properties. Whereas if all your eggs are truly in one basket with that one property that you bought for cash, God forbid something was to happen to the property, you're now leveraged out where you can have some less risk. And with any investment, you're trying to leverage that risk versus benefit. You have the cash flow benefit still of buying down that loan to value, using your cash to come in with quite a bit to keep your payments low. But then also you have leveraging that property so that you have less risk in the overall portfolio of your investment. Some of the other benefits that you want to think of in regards to your investments is you can write off the interest and also any maintenance that you do to the property. This is something that I would suggest that you contact your CPA or accountant to get further clarification on. But there are definite benefits to having these investments, because if you do have a mortgage tied to the property, you can write off that mortgage interest. Some of the parameters to think of in the U.S. for traditional investment property purchases, you're putting a minimum of 20% down, sometimes 25%. You need to have a little bit in reserves, and again, that goes towards that vacancy ratio. So if you have a little bit of vacancy in the property, investors want to know that you have enough money in there to float the one house, or in this case 4 properties. You can finance up to 10 properties in the U.S. with our traditional financing. Now, for some of our Canadian borrowers, there's programs where you're allowed to do 30% down, and it's still full documentation where you're providing your T4s, pay stubs, asset documentation, but those programs are available, and you can contact us at any time and we'll provide more information on either of the products. With rates and prices of homes at an all-time low, now is the perfect time to be buying real estate in the state of Arizona. Arizona is one of the top 3 markets right now for rebounding from the dip we've had. Real estate's always meant to be a long-term investment, and we've all heard buy low, sell high. Now's the time to be buying and looking at these investments, but my point is to show you how to leverage your investment, not throw 100% cash on one property, but to move that out over 1 or 2, 3, 4 homes, where now you just have less risk. I'd like to thank Clear Vision for giving me the opportunity to speak today on leverage. They are truly a one-stop resource for real estate investors.